And now let's move on to the second felicitation ceremony of the day. I'd request the backend team to play a short video beforehand. Thank you, team. Now, again, I'd like to invite our special guest of the day to do the honors of conferring the awards. And I'd request all the awardees to remain on screen until the end of the felicitation ceremony so that we can have a photo. And over to you, Jia, sir. You can start with the felicitation ceremony.
Oh, it's a privilege to be announcing the winners in this ADMH conclave. And I would like to start off by saying that the first award is going to be given for excellence in RT-PCR testing facility. And the winner is LabCare Plus Diagnostic Consultancy.
Can we have the recipients, please?
Is the person there?
Anyone from LabCare Plus? Sir, we can move to the, I hear somebody. Hello?
I'm Bhushan Kulkarni, LabCare Plus consultant. Hello?
Yes, go ahead, Mr. Bhushan. Go ahead.
Thanks for giving me this opportunity to get participate in the Healthcare Excellence Award. And I'm very much thankful to all of you for giving me this award. And as far as the COVID-19 era, I have done a lot of activity regarding to eradicate COVID testing and also whatever pandemic was there. And from last 1.5 years, I am handling around five ITR labs across the MMR, doing all the testing for all the whoever are taking that free of cost. Government.
Congratulations, Mr. Kulkarni. Yes, sir, we can have the next.
Mr. Kulkarni, congratulations to you. The next award is the Excellence Award in Multi-Speciality Infrastructure. And the award goes to Vishwaraj Hospital, Loni, Pune.
So, thank you so much. I am Dr. Vikram Agarwal. I represent Vishwaraj Hospital, Loni, Kalbur, Pune. I am the CEO for the hospital. Very heartfelt thanks to all the distinguished gathering eminent people who are there. Dr. Gaur, Dr. Malik, it was really nice to hear all of you. Mr. Gopal Krishnan, again, it was nice to hear all of you. Thank you so much for the award once again. We appreciate the, I would say, the recognition. So just few things. We are in a semi-urban to rural area. We're located in semi-urban to a rural area. So when I was actually listening to the talks, which was forwarded by all of you, it made so much more sense to all of us here in this hospital. You know, it's very, so I come from Delhi, but sitting here, you know, it becomes all the more easy. When you are in Delhi, it becomes very easy to talk about digital health. But when you reach here in Pune and you are near the population, it becomes so much more relevant, yeah, right? I mean, especially in this Corona time, when you understand that you cannot go out and reach out to the people cannot come and connect to you, and they have their needs, they are in pain. So digital health and all the discussions around digital health become so much more relevant. I believe we have had a very fruitful discussion, and yeah, these rewards go a long way in recognizing us, our efforts. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doctor. The next award, Excellence in IVF Care. And the winner, Nucleus IVF. Hearty congratulations to you.
Do we have someone from Nucleus IVF?
I think we can move also.
Okay. The next award is the Excellence in Orthopedics and Joint Replacement Hospital. And the winner, Lokmanya Hospital. Hearty congratulations.
Can we have the representative of Lokmanya Orthopedics, please?
Yes, thanks a lot for this award. We are very grateful. Lokmanya Hospital is in its 50th years of, it was incepted in 1972. And we are very grateful for this award. Thanks a lot, ADMH. Thanks a lot.
The next award is the ADMH Leadership Award for the best CEO. And the winner is Dr. Anupam Karmakar. Hearty congratulations, Dr. Anupam Karmakar. Over to you, sir.
Hello, thank you so much. Hello,
Yes, we are hearing you.
am I audible?
Yes. sir.
Perfect. Please go ahead.
Thank you so much, ADMH. And thank you for also the ADMH, the knowledge sharing partners for, making a lot of conferences virtual so that the knowledge can be given. So a lot of my students have gained a lot of advantage with this. And believe me, this is a very wonderful initiative at this time wherein a lot of things can be shared amongst people. Thank you very much for the recognition. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We now move on to the Corporate Excellence Awards. And we come to the first award in this category, the Healthcare Institution Excellence Award. And the winner is AIM Paramedical Institute, Parel, Mumbai. Hearty congratulations to you. Over to you.
Do we have?
So can you please unmute yourself?
Thank you, jury. Thank you, ADMH, for this recognition. And I think so it's a long way to go ahead. And in this pandemic, definitely we are working for the creating new paramedics to cater the Indian population and to serve the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The next award in this category is Healthcare Innovation Award Corporates. And the award goes to Rohera INC E-Medica. Hearty congratulations to you. Over to you.
I seriously seriously appreciate the jury to select us for this award. As the entire jury was talking about artificial intelligence and the future space, Rohira INC is a US-based company. We have our strings out here in India as well, and we're working towards it. eMedica is already in the market. It's already, we sold around 8,500 pieces in past 7 months, and we look forward to make it more better. Thank you. Thank you for appreciating us.
Thank you so much. The next award is Excellence in Healthcare Equipment in the Pandemic. And the award goes to Excellence Medical Technologies Private Limited. Over to you.
Thank you, ADMH, and thank you, jury. We at Excellence work for the pandemic solution and surgical fraternity when they were struggling to operate the surgical procedure at the time of pandemic due to COVID situation. We deliver a product in record time for surgical smoke evacuation in laparoscopy and open surgery both, wherein every surgeon was struggling. That time we stand behind and we give the solution for surgical fraternity in India and complete Make in India solution. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. The next award is Excellence in IT Support. And the winner is Manorama Info Solutions. Over to you. Hearty congratulations.
Thank you. It gives us immense pride to be recognized by prestigious community platform for healthcare professionals like ADMH as we strive for excellence in the digital healthcare sector. For close 2 decades, Manorama Info Solution is consistent early adopter of a host of industry best practices, sustainability measures while introducing the innovative solutions. The company's ability to deliver custom-made healthcare digital IT solutions have helped us to grow in a stronger space. We have undertaken a mega projects including the country automation, smart cities, population, and public health, not just at the national, but at the international level. Once again, we remain thankful for this honor as it motivates us to strive for further excellence in the years to come. Thank you very much, ADMH and the leadership for organizing such a wonderful occasion for us. Thanks.
Thank you so much. The final award, and not the least important, in fact, equally important, is the award for Emerging Medical Startup, the best one. And the winner is Health Atmos. Hearty congratulations to you. Over to you.
Thank you, jury, and thank you to a big hearty thank you to the organizers. It's a very humbling experience because compared to the big names here, we are only 8 months old. We started in December 2020, but in the meantime, we have been able to provide solution to international travel companies, to corporates in India, so that they are able to cope through the COVID phase by providing them timely RT-PCR, COVID vaccination, and other services. So in India, on an aggregation model, we have covered more than 120 towns and cities, and I'm very glad to tell you all that we have also now presence on our network in more than 5 countries, and hope by the next edition of ADMH, we will be having our network in more than 50 countries globally. So this service is growing, we are growing, and hope we will meet you all next time. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. With this, we come to the end of this category of the awards function. Over to you, Rahul, and to Rahul Jain